As a leader in an IT organization, you want your team members to learn new technologies and stay updated with the latest trends in the industry. You want to motivate them to be innovative and enhance their soft skills to become future leaders. How do you encourage them to take training sessions? By taking time out from their busy schedules. In the fast-paced software industry, effective coaching and mentoring skills are vital to help you put your best foot forward and take your skills to the next level. The ever-changing environment of IT and software industry makes these skills crucial to achieve success. Although coaching and mentoring both involve some form of learning and teaching skills, each of these attributes to a specific learning component. While coaching deals with short-term learning needs, mentoring caters to a broader and long-term scope. For example, in the IT industry, coaching can be teaching a specific style of coding or testing, whereas mentoring involves enhancing the managerial skills of an IT engineer to help him become a skilled manager. The IT and software industry has a particular structure and best practices for the coaching and mentoring process to help all the stakeholders get the best benefits of the activity. How do you go beyond your role of an IT engineer to become a skilled leader? To become an efficient leader, you need to do much more than mere supervision. You need to develop the skills of an effective coach and mentor and plan to meet the training needs of your team members to help them realize their full potential. We're delighted to introduce our new training program, The Art of Coaching and Mentoring for Software and IT Engineers. This course will help you become a great coach and mentor and enhance your career prospects. Companies across the world value good leaders, and great mentors are much sought after people in an IT organization. My name is Arsh, an instructor at tetratutorials.com. Over the last 2 decades in the software industry, we have been part of many prominent projects and startups. This experience has given us very good insight to study and assess what makes up for scalable, flexible, and strong software solutions. And additionally, we are passionate to share our knowledge in this field with you. So, if you're ready to learn about effective coaching and mentoring, and you're interested to move up in the value chain of management, then make sure you enroll yourself for the course today. We are confident that the money and time you invest with us will not only boost up your career path, but will also pay you many folds in in no time. And this is a promise. To become a part of this change, just click on the Add to Cart button, which you will find below the video. We assure you that when you purchase a copy of The Art of Coaching and Mentoring for Software and IT Engineers, it will be value for money. Also, we are happy to share that the course comes with an unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee. In case you feel that the course does not meet your requirements, all you need to do is just send us a message and we'll refund the money immediately. So, give a kickstart to a flourishing career in the IT industry today with a course in coaching and mentoring. Grab your The Art of Coaching and Mentoring for Software and IT Engineers copy today, and let's get going.